Hey friends, if you wish to view update history on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, you'll notice something called as update history. So click on it and all the updates are visible here except that you cannot uninstall them from this point. Like the quality updates are these ones, the driver updates are these ones. There are a few definition updates. Definition updates are basically security updates which are very important for the computer to make sure that it doesn't catch a virus. And then there are some miscellaneous updates, like this is for the Windows malicious software removal tool. So these include cumulative updates and other updates which change the appearance of the system and a lot of functions of the system and maybe fix a few problems. The driver updates are to update drivers, and you will notice that these are associated with the brand of your computer. For example, in my case, Asus Tech computer drivers have been updated. Why? Because it's a brand which manufactures those drivers, and Windows picks them up. You can also update these drivers from the manufacturer's own website, and then obviously security and other updates. Now, if you wish to uninstall them, click on uninstall update. Click on uninstall on the latest update and then select uninstall. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.